Trust is indeed a cornerstone of healthy relationships. Whether it is with a partner, friends, or colleagues, trust forms the bedrock upon which we build connections. However, trust issues can be triggered, potentially harming these relationships. Understanding the causes and recognizing the signs of trust issues empowers us to address them effectively. We can foster stronger, more fulfilling relationships by taking deliberate steps to overcome these challenges. Before we dive deeper into the topic and do some EFT tapping to start the healing process, let me quickly introduce myself.
Hi, it's Monica, your intuitive trauma transformation coach who helps you face and successfully navigate through the storms of life by guiding you through a most powerful self-healing process and teaching you all the mindfulness tools you need to embark on your journey to your core self and create the life you've always envisioned.
Trust issues can indeed create a challenging emotional landscape. When you find yourself constantly questioning others' intentions, it can lead to feelings of isolation and, of course, misunderstanding. Fear of being hurt or betrayed may prevent you from forming and maintaining healthy relationships. This lack of trust can permeate various aspects of your life, affecting both personal connections and professional interactions. Remember that addressing these trust issues is essential for fostering meaningful relationships and personal growth. There are two main root causes for trust issues: childhood trauma, also called the mother wound and or unhealthy attachment styles, and adverse life experiences like abuse, bullying, and or betrayal. Before we start the tapping sequence, please quickly click on subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell as well. To support me in creating free self-help videos, please comment below, or if you're in a hurry, please leave me an emoji. Thanks. All right, let's go. Side of the hand. Even though I'm feeling overwhelmed because I have so much going on in my relationship, I accept these feelings. I am open to letting them go, and I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Even though I feel unsafe and insecure, as there's too much going on that I don't understand, I know that I can commit to openly communicate my emotions, open myself to the possibilities of relaxing despite my overwhelm, and for that I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I don't know whom to trust anymore, myself included, I love, honor, and accept all of my feelings. I am ready to feel better, and I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself now. I am so overwhelmed and anxious. I am really overwhelmed right now. I feel like I am in the eye of the storm, and I can't see beyond it. Everything seems to come at me so fast. It is hard to cope with every additional thing, no matter how small. It's all just too much right now. It all seems so chaotic, like a thick fog in my head, and I can't see clearly anymore. I dissect every word and picture that's said, sent, or texted. All I can feel is this fear of abandonment. All those inner fears and insecurities from past trauma. I doubt my value and my worthiness. I feel unlovable, and what's worse, I even think that I don't deserve love at all. I need other people's approval to feel safe and worthy. I constantly feel jealous and question my partner's loyalty. I constantly question my partner's feelings and intentions. There is too much mental and emotional energy going into this. I'm finding it so hard to cope at moments or to settle down. I am of no good to anyone when I can't cope and trust. I am trying to control everything that's happening around me. But instead of it getting better, it feels even more out of control. But there are actually things in life I cannot control. I'm feeling a turmoil of emotions and thoughts. I feel embarrassed and ashamed of myself as I push my partner away. With all that distrust and with all those suspicions, I am open to feeling better about this. I am taking a minute to pause, breathe, and step back. I am observing things from a distance instead of being involved. I have the power to change how I feel right now. I have the power to turn this around. I am the creator of my own life. And in fact, I do have some control over how I handle challenging situations. I do have control over my thoughts, emotions, and attitudes at any given moment. What if I consciously chose to trust myself and others? What if I understood that worrying, what could happen, takes all the joy out of life, and that having faith in a higher guidance could give me peace? What if things weren't so bad as I always imagined? What if I could turn my life around and see the glass half full instead of half empty? What if I could enjoy the present moment fully? How would my life change to the better? I decide to look at one thing at a time. I choose to start doing things differently. I know things always worked out in the end in the past. It's essential to take care of me first, breathing love into my body, telling myself I love you, sending signals to my brain and body that I am safe, worthy, and lovable, that I can be in the moment, that I got this and can feel calmer and more relaxed as I let go of worry. I am at peace with myself. I am a valuable human being. I appreciate who I am. I value myself as a person. I deserve to relax. I enjoy the present moment. I embrace my happiness. I enjoy the present moment and look positively into my future. I love myself unconditionally. I believe in myself. I am worthy, I am whole, I am enough. I deserve respect and love. I am loved for who I truly am. I am capable of overcoming anything life throws at me. I learn and grow every day. I always give my very best in any given moment. I honor and uphold my boundaries. I am capable of achieving anything I put my mind to. I am stronger than my fears. I already have everything I need to succeed. I don't need validation from others to see my own worth. I give myself the permission to fail and learn from my mistakes. Nobody but me has the power to make me feel a certain way. I have the right to feel and express my emotions without apologizing. And as Nelson Mandela said, I am the master of my fate and the captain of my destiny. You can take 6 deep breaths now. Breathe in and breathe out. See how that feels for you. You can go back and tap as many times as you want or need to. The bottom line is that you don't have to stay overwhelmed. Just take a moment to yourself. Tap along, let it all go. You will feel better, which will make it easier to carry on. Rebuilding trust takes time and effort. Start with small acts of trust and gradually build up to more significant ones. Celebrate the small victories as they come. Sometimes trust issues can be deep-rooted and challenging to overcome alone. I'm here to help and guide you on your self-healing journey to rebuild trust and improve your relationship. Again, please let me know in the comments below if you liked the video, how you felt after the tapping procedure, and if you have any questions. Like always, peace begins with me. And remember, you deserve to break free and live your magic every day. Bye for now.